Do you know what the fastest growing segment there is in the online world? It's the mobile segment. Everybody is accessing the internet via phones. Got mine right here. It might buzz while we're recording this thing, but the bottom line is everybody's using mobile. And there is a brand new course with full PLR available, which is going to get you in the door with mobile ads. Is all I'm going to tell you all about. It's all coming up in my review of Google Mob ads. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull on successfully.
Wait, hat or no hat? Hat or no hat? Hat.
Well, yeah, I do like the hat. Thank you very much. So, yeah, definitely with a hat. Okay, seriously. You know, some people see my phone just buzzed because it knows that we're talking about mobile ads. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, you know what? That's fine that you like crap. Okay, most of us don't. I certainly don't. These fine people don't. So keep your crap to yourself, okay? Seriously. Yeah, if you do to the channel, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give it to Matt to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Joining us today is local entrepreneur.
Well, thank you for the introduction. Yes, I am a local entrepreneur. I am in a small town now, and I'm really, really excited about it. No longer a New Yorker. Very happy to be here. And look, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe under the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Spank to subscribe. Doesn't mean much you're on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Google Admob Mastery from my friend Vikram. Now, this is a brand new course with full PLR rights that is going to allow you to learn everything you need to know about advertising on these things, on a mobile phone, okay, on mobile devices, on iPads, on tablets, whatever. Okay, all those kinds of things. That's the future of the internet. That's what you want to be advertising on, and you're going to learn exactly how it's done in this course. Plus, you get to sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus. You have full PLR rights to it. Now, of course, I have one of the best customers you're ever going to find. I have 15,000 articles with full PLR rights. That means you can sell them, give them away, use them as a bonus, use them as content on your website. Okay, repurpose them, do whatever you like with them. You're going to get 15,000 articles. Plus, I have a whole bunch of other courses that I'm going to give you personal rights to. You can see the list below this video. If you're watching on YouTube, just go ahead and click the link in the description, and you'll be able to see the entire list of every single course that is going to be included with this package. You're going to gain 15,000 articles for your money when you pick up this package from me. Let me go show you the members area real quick. Okay, you can see here it comes with ready-made artwork. You can download the artwork. Of course, you get to download the whole content. Everything is included for you. All you do is download the whole business and start selling it, and it's ready to roll. And check out the price, by the way. This, you got to see how crazy this price is. Let me scroll down to the bottom for you so you can see just how insane the price is for this entire package. They're getting 15,000 articles. And look at that, $7.26. For $7, you're getting all of this included for free with the entire package. That is truly an insane, insane deal. Pick up any upgrade to this though, and I'm going to do something even better for you. I am going to give you PLR to my IM FAQ package. These are a series of 7 videos with frequently asked questions about making money online and internet marketing. You're going to get full access to the IMFAQ 7 videos with PLR rights completely for free when you pick this up from me with any upgrade. Let's see if I'm going to give it to him as the man! You're the man! You're the man! Product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really like this a lot. This thing is great. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love it.